Okay, so I will be going over my week 14 coding assignment, which was to create a movie review React application. Um, on the left is my completed assignment, and on the right is my code that makes this left side possible. So this is basically all the components that I used in my project. I set them under source and under this component folder to kind of have everything in one place. And I also imported some images from online so I could use them to display. So this is basically my overview for the code that I implemented. This is my footer. As you can see, it has some container, and it allows my page to display this down here. Then make sure to leave a review. My header, make reviews, movie reviews. Sorry, I'm a little bit tired, so um, I imported from React review form and review index so that this movie card can be interactive and could bring in elements from these sources. Movie data. This is basically the basic, as you can see, Jurassic Park image. The image is right here. Jurassic Park World Dominion. The title's right here. The text, the description of the movie is right below. And an example of a review is down below. And then under here is the review input. The movie list is right here. Review is right here. This is kind of like the format for it. You can see the stars is right here, and then the review is the ability to comment is underneath. Again, to build off of that review form, this is like the review form, the review index, and then this whole code. This is probably the part I had most difficulty. This and importing the images was probably the most um, difficult areas for this project on my part. But yeah, there is also, it's not technically, I mean, you can write a comment. I already wrote that. Let's leave a bad comment. And 1 star. This is the part I kind of like didn't know what was going on, so I would like to like get some feedback on like how I could adjust my coding or this project, because when I submit it, it updates this form right here. It updates this movie. And as you can see, the bad movie right here is right here. But then at the bottom of the page, it duplicates it and it prints it out at the bottom. So I'm not really sure what I did wrong there. And it does that. I could like literally if I do another comment, it'll do the same thing. So some feedback would be appreciated to figure out how I can fix that so that it just updates the original one without printing out uh, another one at the bottom, because that's kind of redundant. But other than that, my project works fairly well. Um, I met all the requirements for the project. There's just this little hiccup that I've been trying to deal with, but I haven't been able to figure it out, so I'm just gonna turn it in how it is. And again, some feedback would be appreciated. And that will conclude my project.